how to fix the YouTube sound not working on Android. So if you want to solve if your YouTube application is not giving you any type of sound on your Android device, it could be happening due to a couple of reasons. First off, we want to make sure that our volume is not set to mute, because sometimes it could just be that our media volume is set to mute. So make sure that is not the case and make sure you're being able to play some sounds. After that, if it's still not working, you can just try to close YouTube app like this from the recent menu, then relaunch again to see if that helps you solve the problem. If not, then we will try to clear the cache and data of the YouTube app. So long press the YouTube app icon on Android, tap on the eye icon. Some devices you will see app info, so simply tap on the similar option. Once you're there, scroll down to the option called storage, clear the cache files, and make sure to clear the data, which will reset the app. Go to your Play Store, check if YouTube app has an update, and also go ahead and then restart your device for once and all. Once done, you can reopen the YouTube app, and then you should be able to see if you have got the sound on the YouTube app. I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon in our next video.